Hello everyone, my name is Krish and today I'm gonna teach about Vlookup function. Vlookup is designed to retrieve data in a table organized into vertical rows, where each row represents a new record. The V in Vlookup functions actually stands for vertical. If you have data organized horizontally, you can use HLOOKUP function. For explaining the concept of VLOOKUP, I made an example here. There are two columns in a table of which headers are name and age. Here is a list of data of different people with their respective ages. So let's say that if you're looking for age of John, you can use VLOOKUP function. For using the VLOOKUP function, we can type VLOOKUP. So here we go. We can type equal and VLOOKUP here. When we have started typing VLOOKUP, we can see that there is a VLOOKUP function popping up. You can either type the whole name as VLOOKUP, or either you can press tab key. I will press the tab key. Now we can see there are 4 parameters popping up. The first is VLOOKUP value, the second is table array, third is column index number, and fourth is range lookup. So first, the VLOOKUP value. What value we are looking up in this table? We are looking for John here. So I will select this cell and then type comma here. And then the next parameter is asking for table array, in which table we are looking for John's age. This is a table, so we will select the table from top to bottom. And then type one more comma here. Next parameter is asking for column index number. We are looking for John's age, and John's age is actually in column 2 of this table. So I will type 2 here and then one more comma. You can see there are true and false popping up. It's written true is approximate match and false is the exact match. So if you are looking for John's as an exact match, you can type false. Or if you are looking for approximate match of John, you can type true. I'm looking for exact match of this name in this table, so I will use false. Remember one more thing here. True and false on the basis of computer language 1 and 0 is being made. You can use one number as a true or 0 as a false. So either you can type false here, or either you can type 0 here. It works the same. Now I will type the false here and then close the bracket. Press the enter key. You can see the age of John is being filled by this formula. The John's age is 23, which is exactly here. I will drag down to Peter. So you can see John's age 23 and this age is 35 here. Peter's age is 26 here. So we found all 3 ages of 3 people. So this is how VLOOKUP function works. So we will replace the false here with 0 for exact match and then hit enter. It's the same. It works the same. We will drag it down again and then we see the whole value which we got, the age, is exactly the same in the table. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video and have a great day.